Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 19th to August the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below if you resonate. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan ang ating live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Gemini. So ang nakikita natin dito, ang dami nating tanong. Siguro ang kini-question pa natin sa sarili natin is, ako ba ang may mali? No? Siya ba ang mabuti? Ako ang masama? No? Yung parang nasa tulfo, no? Yung parang, ikaw ang mabuti, ako ang masama. Pero tinatanong mo yun sa sarili mo. Totoo nga bang ako ang dapat i-blame, no, dito sa sitwasyon na to? Sino ba ang dapat magbago? Ako ba o siya? No, ano ba ang pagkukulang ko o ano ang kalabisan? Pwede rin naman kalabisan, hindi lang din palaging kulang, no? Baka naman nasobrahan tayo, no, sa mga bagay-bagay. Kung anong kulang at sobra, no, yun nga, dapat nasa tamang timpla lang. Ang nakikita kasi natin dito, medyo kahit papano, no, kahit may mga challenges, sabihin natin may mga challenges talaga, pero kahit papano papasalamat tayo. Pero bakit hindi tayo umuusad? Hindi natin nalulusutan, hindi, kumbaga, ano bang kailangan kong gawin para maka-jump man lang ako dito sa mundong ginagalawang ko, or probably I wanted to jump in another alternate universe wherein that world is really happy, no? So, ika nga nila. So, sa quantum physics, sabi niya ganyan, once we make a decision, we are opening a different alternate universe, but we are going to live on the decision that we chose to. Those decisions that we didn't choose, no, it is still gonna continue. So you might wanna, ano ba tong pagkakamaling nagawa ko sa buhay? No, parang I wanted to turn back the hands of time and probably do otherwise, no? With the Seven of Wands and the Five of Cups. So what I'm seeing, ang dami rin naman pagsisisi, no? I feel like, totoo nga ba, medyo nagsisisi ka sa situation mo ngayon? Sa situation ng nangyayari romantically, of course, you are here because of the romantic reading. So, kahit may ganun pa man, no, tinatry mong resolvahin yourself. You're probably also trying to be very strategic on how you can get out of this situation. Whether it is having the person or not, or probably just wanting to move forward alone. With the Six of Wands in here, I felt like, what your heart feels here is to bring back what you have probably felt before, which is, sabihin natin, ang saya-saya naman kasi talaga magmahal. I've experienced it. And together with that person, something just changed along the way. And it felt like, what is happening, no? With the Nine of Pentacles and the Two of Wands, parang ang bilis-bilis ng mga pangyayari. And unpredictable itong situation mo, no? Siguro, I don't want to say you are a control freak, no, Gemini, but you would love. I think we cannot consider that is a control freak. This is more of you wanting to at least somewhat wanted to be ready if whether it is something that's happiness or sadness that may come along our way, para hindi tayo nagigitla, no? Para hindi tayo naaaligaga kapag nandun tayo sa sitwasyon. And that's probably nangyayari dahil ang bilis ng pace ng inyong relationship. Most likely, what I am seeing in here is, sabihin natin medyo, um, wow, talaga ba? Kasi, sorry ha, kinakagat ko yung aking labi kasi yung happiness mo, ang bilis ding mawala. Parang binigay sa'yo, so masaya ka na. Let's put it this way. Ano ba ang makakapagpasaya sa'yo? Sabihin mo na lang kunyari bag, no? Binigyan ka ng bag. So, syempre, masaya ka. Nabuksan mo na, siguro na-imagine mo na, no, ay, eto, bagay ito sa ganitong damit. Then all of a sudden, babawiin. Di ba nakakagigil? So parang ganun. Nandun ka na sa peak ng inyong kasiyahan and then suddenly biglang mawawala. Or suddenly magkakaroon ng issue. Suddenly merong kumbaga magka-cut or at least magpo-pause. Now, with the Five of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Temperance, you know what? What I am seeing in here is probably you might be in a situation that you yourself is, sabihin natin, gumagawa ng paraan how to, which is actually good, how to enjoy the moment, whether this is something that should be celebrated or not. Kung wanted to be celebrated, of course, you're gonna celebrate. If not, I think that you are still going to make something out of it. Parang you're juicing out the situation. And actually, that's good. Hindi ka basta-basta bumibitaw, no? Kumbaga, kumbaga sa mangga, no? Nasapa mo na lahat, no? Alam mo yung buto ng mangga, parang tuyong-tuyo na siya bago mo siya bitawan. Parang ganun din dito sa relationship, no? Hangga't meron kang kaya mong i-juice out, no? Gagawin mo ang lahat. Yun nga lang, pag bumitaw ka na, siguradong bitaw na kasi marirealize mo, ay wala na palang sustansya ito. Pero as much as possible, you're making your way how to resolve all these things, and probably even if it's not enjoyable anymore, you find ways on how to make it fun, even with yourself, no? So let's check here your emotion, or this could be your person's emotion. Let's see. I need some more time before I can come to you. And why do we have to be apart? So, for a few numbers of you, you might be in a separation with your person. But the thing here is, um, probably someone also asked, no, na we can go our own ways. Pero someone here probably said, sige, try muna nating ganito. If it doesn't work, then probably we can call it quits, no? One thing also about Gemini, baka kasi nandito ka pa lang sa process ng um, medyo may pagkamadaya, but you know, if this works for you, this works for you, no? Parang huwag mo akong bitawan muna, no? So you're parang humingi ka ng extensions of time para makapag-prepare ka. So the thing about the Gemini, kapag na-demonyo ang isip nito, no? Gagawa siya ng way to save the connection kapag medyo nanunumbalik na yung love nito ni person. Ginagawa niya yun, pero at the back, yung other side ni Gemini, already moving on. And then, oy, nung kapag nandun na sa situation na, okay, ready na ako mapagbalikan, I'm sorry, ayoko na. Gemini can turn things around like a magician in here, no? And that's no trace of kung anong pwede niyang gawin. You'll never gonna know. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Cancer, Taurus, Pisces, no? Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn. So this is your reading. Gemini, again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So, Gemini. Ayan. Kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo, no? Kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Ayan. So, all you just have to do is to click the website, bubungad itong question form. By the way, sa taas po no, nandun po yung mga icons ng social media accounts. All you just have to do is to click that kung gusto nyo i-check yung Facebook, no, Instagram, TikTok, ayan, YouTube, ayan. Sa question form, ibaba nyo lang ng konti kasi hindi siya kasya sa screen. Nandun din po itong how much per question, name, number for your reference. No? I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So, tuloy pa rin din ang ating manhunt. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali no, sa inyong gusto nyo manalo ng reading, report po itong mga fake accounts na nandiyan sa description box, screenshot, then send it to the designated email para po pag nagapi natin yan, bubunot po tayo ng winner for the reading. Ayan. So kung hinahanap niyo gems, itong tinatawag nating X-Files or reading about X's, dun po yan sa ating Facebook na ha. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.